Hi, my name is Dan. I'm 65 years old and I'm sitting outside on a beautiful sunny day in the winter here in Ohio. I've been asked to talk about the power strips. FG Express power strips I've been using now for about a month and a half. And folks, I'm pain free. I can't believe the benefits that I've gotten from using the power strips. I suffer from diabetes and I have severe psoriasis. And that leaves me in a whole lot of pain. Pain in my legs, pain in my hands. And since I've been using the power strips, I have none of that happening anymore. In fact, the beautiful thing is I'm sitting outside here today comfortably in a chair. And I couldn't do that 6 weeks ago. I had trouble walking, and with the power strips, I'm functioning at 100%. I really like the concept of power strips, a transdermal patch. It's extremely efficient in delivering the ginseng product to my body, and I love the concept where I put it on and I feel a heat coming from it and I know that it's working. And the first time I used one, within an hour I was pain-free. So I just want to share that with you and let you know that there's a solution for pain. We all somehow suffer from pain. And the ironic part about pain is it creates stress in our body. And it inhibits our body from healing itself. But with the power strips, I feel hope again in my life, and I'm very appreciative.